Everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to unbox the Sideshow Premium Format 1/4 scale Batman statue. Now, what I really like about the box is the graphics, very cool. Now let's see what's inside the box. Inside the box, you will see the statue itself. Here is Batman, and then this is the stand. They used a gargoyle as Batman stand. Then also included inside the box is the belt, and also two heads for Batman. This one and another head. The difference is the facial expression. There is also a cape included, and the cape is made out of resin. Now, what I like about this Batman statue is it is a combination of resin, and there is also fabric material on the statue. The gargoyle is also made out of resin. Now, let's see how this 1/4 scale statue looks like after assembly. Now, this is how the 1/4 scale statue looks like after assembly. I used this head instead of this one, and I have also placed the belt on Batman, and I also like this suit. This is a very iconic Batman suit. This is the one based on the classic comics. This is also quite a heavy 1/4 scale statue because most of the materials are made out of resin. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching.